Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
From the ancestral hall to the old well, visiting the Hakka folk village at Meinong, Kaohsiung is like taking a trip back in time. Visitors can explore the Guanghuaxing paper umbrella factory and have a go at hand-painting their own paper umbrella. After that, they can take a tour of the butterfly farm and wander in Kiln Pottery Square before chowing down on Hakka rice noodles and Meinong pork knuckles at the Lei Cha Tea House.
Hey everybody, it's time to talk about Hakka here on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello， 大家好，我係 Josephine。And Leo， 你知道吗？大概1个多月前啊，我们 ICRT 办了一个自行车日、单车日。We had a great time at our bike day just a little bit more than a month ago, and I finally got to see Meinong, which is a very beautiful township, and it's got a lot of Hakka culture. 那个时候我们举办是在这个客家文物馆那边，但是据我所知，美浓其实还有很多可以值得去参观的一些地方。
哎，你有没有去那个美浓客家民俗村啊？
美浓客家民俗村，
对，
民俗村好像没有。那这个民俗村里面，就是有一些跟客家的一些民俗有关的一些道具啦，或者是建筑物啦，什么有关系，
没错。这民俗村里面哦，其实我觉得有3个很重要的地方。
OK，
就是第一个呢，你可以看到那个油纸杂用
啊。油纸杂就是油纸伞了嘛？
对，油纸伞怎么去制作？
哦，怎么制作它还会有呈现出来？
对，你可以看到它怎么做。
Oh, okay. One thing that's very well known in the township of Meinong is the paper umbrellas. In fact, I actually bought one when I went there and brought it back to Taipei. But here at this Hakka folk village, you can actually see the manufacturing of it.
再来，你既然到了美浓，那就一定要吃他们当地最有名的。猪脚，
对不对？
对
，I did， 这个我有吃到。猪脚 ，OK， that's another thing you need to try out, which I did when I was in Meinong just a month ago. Is the pig's knuckle， 就是猪脚，怎么说？
猪脚。
Apparently, you can have this at this Hakka folk village. OK， 这是第2项。那第3项呢？
第3个就是美浓呢有很多的蝴蝶，所以在这边会有个蝴蝶农场、养鸭的农场，然后可以看到生态教学。
OK, that's good. First is something to take home, that's a paper umbrella. Second is to eat, and those are the pig's knuckle. And the third thing is butterflies. They're very well known in Meinong, and there's actually a valley there that has a lot of butterflies. And so in this Hakka folk village, you can learn about the life of butterflies. You know, there you go. Check it out. I have to go back again to Meinong to visit this Hakka folk village for sure. And that does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什么大家？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.